Chrome versus Internet Explorer. Well, Internet Explorer aka IE has since been the default browser for every Microsoft PC in the past. But time had seemed already changed as Chrome continued to overshadow the IE's former glory. So does Internet Explorer still stand a chance to triumph over Chrome? You'll find that out at the end of this video. So let's get started. User-friendly. Whenever users open a browser, what would welcome them first is a supposed easy-to-use interface. And for any first-time users, a simplified UI would be extremely important. So when comparing Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, the biggest difference would be their design. Google Chrome is built with the latest web ideas, tailored for both ease of use and simplicity. In contrast, IE was really a bit outdated. Browsing performance. Sadly, because of the lack of updates over the years, Internet Explorer has been criticized for being slower. And getting the web pages to load faster would really be a game changer. So for the most part, Chrome is undeniably better as it's one of the current fastest browsers on the market. Security and privacy. Definitely, this continued to be one of the biggest problems for users. And although Internet Explorer has failed to be consistent on its updates, Chrome, on the other hand, has also failed to deal with the public's growing doubt over its privacy and security. For its business model was deeply associated with data collection. With that, IE seems to be the lesser evil when it comes to this aspect. Additional features. Then Chrome offers its own web store that allows users to easily add different extensions to improve their overall browsing experience. Meanwhile, Internet Explorer was again affected by its lack of updates, where it continued the outdated way of adding extensions that can be very difficult for first-time users. Platform availability. Sadly, Internet Explorer is only available to Windows PC, while Chrome is available to both Windows, Mac, and even Linux. This would be crucial for non-Windows users, making Chrome a more available option. So all in all, although IE was the predecessor of all web browsers, such as Chrome, still time had already changed, and the lack of updates with Internet Explorer made Chrome a much better choice. You've just discovered an amazing topic about Chrome versus Internet Explorer. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.